do have a note from the creator, and it says, enjoy your hair journey from now on. Ooh. Oh. Sis, what you mean from now on? What if I was enjoying it before? You know what I'm saying?
Would you tell me you're in love with me?
What is up, guys? It's your girl Kay, and welcome back to my channel. Now, if you're new here, thank you so much for tuning in. I am hoping that you turn into a subscriber, so please do not feel shy to hit that subscribe and like button if you like the content that you see. Now, if you're not new here, you know that my wig cap looking a little like slicked down than usual, and it is because I shaved my entire head. Yes, I did it. And there is a whole nother YouTube video for that, so if it's not up already by the time that this is up, it should be up within like the next few days. So that process, you know, I love my long hair, but I just decided to part ways with it. Now, today's video is on another wig review, and you know how I love my wigs. Like, come on, stop playing. And it is on this LUVMEHair, or LUVMEHair, I believe it's LUVMEHair, and this is how she looked. Guys, I have heard a lot about this wig brand online. It's just been all over social media, so I was like, yo, let me give it a go. And also, this is the first human hair, like full human hair wig that I have purchased, because you know, if you know me, you know that I like to roll with synthetic wigs or human hair blends, because I'm just like, I change my hairstyle like way too soon. I change it every 5 minutes. So I'm gonna be really honest, like I was so nervous in purchasing a unit from them, because like I've seen a little bit of reviews and it was just like off and on. Like some people would have like good reviews and then some people would just have bad reviews. But you know what? My sister convinced me and I just did it. So this wig was originally $199, but I did get it for $153. The name of this wig was the Glueless High Density Breathable Lace Closure Wig. So we about to see if it's actually breathable and like all that. You know I'm honest. I'm really honest with my reviews. So we about to go in and we about to see. LUVMEHair, do not disappoint me, because that was a whole $153. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is what it looks like when I open the box. Now the wig does come in some sort of baggy thing. So in the box we do have a note from the creator, and it says, enjoy your hair journey from now on. Ooh. Oh. Sis, what you mean from now on? What if I was enjoying it before? You know what I'm saying? That's cute. Thanks. You got real personal. I feel like I connected with her. Now, what else is in the box? We got a wig cap. Now, this is just a lighter color wig cap. Packaging comes with some bobby pins. We have an elastic band. They gave us some tweezers, and they also gave a little hairpin that says LUVMEHair. That's kind of cute. They gave us some free eyelashes with it. I think that's very nice of them. Look at that. All right. I mean, because it was $150, so expect greatness. You know what I'm saying? Give me some eyelashes. We have the mentality already that we spent a lot of money on one item, and then you surprise us with a bunch of other items. Like, it makes us feel a little less crappy. You know what I'm saying? So good job, Lumi. Good job. Enough about the packaging. Let's dive right into the wig, because this is what we're here for. At least this is what I'm here for. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like that. Yeah, that's human hair for sure. Like, this is that type of, what you call me? You call me wig? Hot, what, over there? I'm getting those vibes. So this is how the wig looks up here. It looks pretty natural. It does come only with this much lace. And I will say, if you wanted to glue this, like, you know how some people like to glue down the sides, with this wig you're not going to be able to do it at all, because it's only covering lace from here and here, and then this is just pretty much net. Okay, how's that looking right now? How do we like this? How do we like this? All right, so what I can tell you immediately is that this thing comes with absolutely no baby hairs whatsoever. And then you see that, like, do you see what I was talking about in the beginning? Like, how you wouldn't be able to, if you're a fan of like gluing down your wigs completely, you would not be able to do this with this wig on the sides. Like, and I am not a fan of this. Holy crap, you see that? All right, this right here is not $200 quality. I will tell you that right now. Like, synthetic do it better for that part. Like, what's going on? All right, y'all, let's see if I can do something with this wig. Alright guys, so this is what I managed to do with this wig that I felt like I wanted to do. As you can see, I was not really a fan of a lot of the situations that are going around the design of this wig. Hint the sides, like you really can't do much with that at all. Like it's definitely a wig that you just need to put it down and go, you know? Like don't expect much to put this wig up, ponytail, all that. It's not for that, honey. I would definitely recommend that you fix that middle part because yeah, it looks nice and I really I love how it's blending in. So I am wearing the black cap underneath of this wig and I really like how this looks. It looks super natural to me. I love it. As for like, I don't know, like I really want to like this wig, but I'm feeling like I'm having problems with it. And like, you tell me, like the quality of the hair is really nice, but I will say that the front was not working well with me. It does not come with any baby hairs built in. I don't really do baby hairs on any of my wigs, period. So if you are into baby hairs, you just need to make it by yourself. I attempted to make it, but I really wasn't feeling it, so I decided to just not do that. But I am a fan of this middle part. I think it looks super natural. Hold on, let me see if I can zoom in. If you like don't like the color of the lace, then you can just throw some makeup on it, but for me, I think that it's pretty fine. I wouldn't really put at least too much makeup, maybe a little foundation when I'm like going over it, but you know, I think that looks good. The wig itself gets a little frizzy, so that's why I put mousse on it. You see how this is doing this? I didn't like that, so let me try putting a little more mousse on this part because I don't like that. I really don't. Alright, do I think this wig is worth $200? No. I feel like I can find another wig that is around that same price that is a little more better. You know what I'm saying? But if you want to buy it, I think that the quality of how the hair is really good. As for the design of the wig built in, I'm not really a fan of that, but I do think that she is very pretty and she is like very natural. Like she looks very natural to me, so it's up to you to purchase it, but I would recommend it. I definitely would recommend it, but those are the issues that concern me. I just told you, you know what I'm saying? Other than that, this wig feels really good. I really love how this wig feels. It does feel good. And listen, if you could do more designs to this wig, by all means get it and purchase it and do your thing to it. You know what I'm saying? This is just my opinion on the wig, but other than that, yeah guys. Feel free to comment on what you guys think of this wig, any suggestions that you guys have, what else I could do with it. If you've purchased from here, please, I want to hear from you. So just give me some feedback, because let a girl know, you know what I'm saying? Would you guys buy this wig? Honestly. Now, thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.